Hello and welcome to Saturday's guided meditation. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Allow your hands to rest softly, your shoulders to drop, and your eyes to gently close. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, a slow breath in and let it go. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Let your breath return to a natural rhythm now, soft and easy. With every breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more relaxed, more present. Today is a beautiful opportunity, a fresh Saturday just for you. There is no rush, no pressure, only the chance to enjoy this day in a way that feels good for your mind, body, and spirit. As you breathe, gently bring your attention to your body. Notice how it feels in this moment. Any tension in your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders. Let it melt away with your exhale. Let your breath move like a gentle wave, rising and falling. Now, imagine the soft light of the morning sun pouring over you, warm, golden, and peaceful. With every breath, you soak in that light. It fills you with energy, joy, and calm confidence. Repeat silently in your mind after me. Today, I choose joy. Today, I choose peace. Today, I welcome all the good this Saturday has to offer. Feel the truth in those words. Let them settle in your heart. Whatever your plans may be today, whether it's a day of rest, adventure, work, or play, you have the power to shape this day with your intention. Let's take a moment now to visualize your perfect Saturday. What would make this day amazing for you? Picture yourself moving through this day with ease, smiling, laughing, feeling connected, feeling calm. See yourself enjoying the little moments, a warm cup of coffee or tea, sunshine on your face, a favorite song playing, time spent with someone you love, or cherished time alone. What would make you feel fulfilled today? Hold that image. Feel the joy of it. Take a deep breath in and imagine locking that feeling into your heart. This day is yours. You can meet it with positivity, with gratitude, with presence. Let's finish with 3 deep breaths, breathing in peace and breathing out anything that no longer serves you. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One last time, big breath in and sigh it out. Now gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring movement back into your body. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take this energy with you into your Saturday. And remember, every moment is a chance to begin again. You've got this. Have an amazing day. Namaste.